a custom aluminum frame. This color is customer's beige. It's not only good looking but also very thin. When it's closed, the height is only 19 centimeters. It's 2.7 meters, and the width is for this one is 1.65 meters. When it's fully opened, the height is exceed 1 meter. Step inside, you will immediately feel the difference. Fully upholstered from the ceiling to the side panels, front and rear doors, fully upholstered. This one is going to deliver to Russia. The customer wants to use it in extreme cold weather, so he asked us to make the topper to double layer. So the total thickness of this roof is up to 30 millimeters. It's perfect for extreme cold weather like the countries like Russia.